think you can see it in the shadows, but the gold striping is just gorgeous. And it's not even in the sun. Coach 9, ladies and gentlemen, Wiscasset, Quebec, Wooden Railroad Coach 9. Controlling the movement is Eric Shada, Master Carpenter, who oversaw this entire project.
Well, you know, just somewhere. I think that's good. You're right clear here. You could have gone back a little bit more.
Folks, this is just plain stunning. Eric, we're live on Facebook if you have a few minutes later once everything's set up.
Well, we just pulled it out. That's very exciting.
Yes.
And you got a good look at it. I didn't.
Well, you didn't break it, so. And this is part of the reason why we need your assistance, folks, is we need to finish this coach to the nines. Please open up your hearts and your wallets and those likes and shares, and donate at WW&FRY.org/coach9. We need $120,000 to finish this project off, and we've been given a matching grant. All right.
Good? All clear?
You can see the sun hitting those letters.
Yeah. Oh, it's gorgeous.
You guys stop him when he's there.
Going to go around the other side. I've been told it's a little shinier over on this side, and I believe it. That's where the photographers were, but I'm also trying to stay where I think I might have a fighting chance of the internet connection not dropping out.
That was my first reaction.
So the peanut gallery over here is, are we really going to put people on this? Yes, absolutely. We want people to experience what rail travel was like at the turn of the last century. So again, we need your help, folks, to finish Coach 9 to the nines. Please like and share, talk about the project, about what an incredible piece of artwork that we've created here at the WW&F Railway in Alna, Maine, and donate at WW&FRY.org/coach9. The Narrow Gauge Preservation Foundation has given us a $16,000 challenge grant. So shout out to those folks, and that's going to finish off the seats. Oh, I see one seat has already, the framework has been installed there in the back. Once it's safe for me to do so, I will try to get in the car here. We have the chandeliers. The chandeliers, most of the parts have arrived. We are assembling the chandeliers ourselves. They cost about $3,500 each. So anybody who wants to sponsor a chandelier, we'd love to have you do that, or just a donation of $9. We also have the hat racks that have to go in. All of the, like I say, all the seats. We still owe a lot of money for the gold leaf work. Let me go around this side. Oh, go ahead. That's all real gold leaf, folks. We thought about painting it, and we said, no, that's not how these were made. They were made with gold leaf. Let's do it. All the decal work on the scroll work at the top. Again, done in a very similar way to how they did it back in the day.